What is up, guys? Today we are talking about the Note 8 and the Galaxy S9. Now, I recently picked up the Note 8 for about $720. That is the exact same price as the Galaxy S9. So we're going to talk about what we're getting for the Note 8 over the S9 and if it's worth it to go this direction over the newest Samsung phone. Now, pricing on the Note 8 is kind of all over the place right now. You're going to find prices anywhere from its retail price of about $950 all the way down to about $720, which is what I got my Note 8 for. The carriers have all dropped it down to about $720. The reality is the Note 8's price right now is right in line with the Galaxy S9. The Galaxy S9 screen size comes in at 5.8 inches. The Note 8 comes in at 6.3 inches. So you're definitely getting a much larger screen for the same price. The S9 is going to get you about 31 hours of talk time, Note 8 33 hours of talk time. Both phones come in at 64 gigabytes of storage. You're going to get a much larger battery with the Note 8, so if battery life is something that you're concerned about, it's definitely the way to go. Let's talk about the cameras on these phones really quick. The S9, of course, has that adjustable aperture, but you're gonna get that same wide angle with both phones. Where the Note 8 comes out on top is that it does have that telephoto lens and the ability to do those portrait mode pictures. Camera quality in these phones are gonna be nearly identical with very minor improvements made to the Galaxy S9 sensor. So you're gonna get a similar image for the same price. With this whole price adjustment, you are talking about a nearly 9-month-old phone in the Note 8. But there's so many reasons why you would want to go with the Note 8 over the S9. Samsung's choice to bring the Note 8's price in line with the S9 is very interesting and almost questionable. Why would you not go with the Note 8 over the S9? If you guys can think of any reasons why you would go with the S9 over the Note 8, let me know in the comments below. I'm really interested in what your reasonings would be. For me, it's kind of a no-brainer. I'm gonna stick with the Note 8 and probably sell off my S9. But the one thing that has drove me insane moving to the Note 8 over the S9 has been that fingerprint sensor location. Now, the Note 9 does come out in a couple of months. They're looking at an announcement date of August 9th. So it's kind of questionable at this point if you go with the Note 8 right now, where the Note 9 is right around the corner. If you've been on the fence waiting to get your S9 or not sure what you were going to do, grabbing the Note 8 now with its lower price is definitely a good buy for a lot of you who are needing an upgrade at this point. So what are you going to do? Are you going to pick up a Note 8 or are you going to go with the S9? Or are you going to wait for the Note 9, which is just around the corner? Whatever you do, smartphones right now are cheap and good. That's it for me today, guys. I'm super glad that we're into the summer months. We are in the summer schedule, which I'm super excited for. I'll be producing at least 3 videos a week, so make sure you guys are looking out for those. Make sure you hit that thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you guys in the next one.